Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game crashing at startup, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, click on Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system as well as Steam, and after that try to launch the game and see if it works. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, under general. Here you need to type -dx11 and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, come back again and type -dx12 and then check if it is fixed. If not, type -d3d11 and then check if this resolves the error you are coming across. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, then click on settings, then go below, click on in-game, and here you have to disable this option. If it is enabled, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you simply need to click on it to disable it and then check if the issue is resolved. For GeForce experience, open GeForce. Now tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, then switch off in-game overlay options. And for Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files, and this will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and then check. Or else click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, then hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Next is to update graphics cards. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check if there is any update available for drivers, or else it will update and then check if the problem is fixed. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link I have already given in the description and update your graphic card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the integrity of game files. After that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, and then here you need to check for the game if it's listed over here. Now let me search for the game. Yes, the game is listed over here. If not, you need to click on allow another app, then go to the browse section, then go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game and add it to the list over here. After adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After this, try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to disable Steam Cloud. So if you are using demo version of the game, so you need to disable Steam Cloud. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, then click on settings, then click on cloud option over here, and here you can see the option enable Steam Cloud. Simply click on it to disable it. So after doing this, now check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under process tab, you need to find those apps which are of no use. You have to select it. After selecting it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will close the application running in the background, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next solution is to run update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows, now try to launch the game and see if it is working. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings, and then here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on add a desktop app. Then go to the game folder where it has been installed. Select the game application, click on add option, and it will be added to the list. Now click on arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you need to select high performance. After selecting this, try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So you simply need to copy this link. After copying it, paste it in your browser. Once it opens, download and install Visual C++ files, and after that restart your PC and then log into the game and check if it is working now. After you open the link, go below, and from here you can download the latest Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install and then restart your PC once, and after that check if the problem is fixed and you can play the game. If not, final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall option, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your system. After removing the game, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game once again, and then click on play option to check if you can play it without any further problem. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.